Hi guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my expert automation review. So, expert automation is a all-in-one solution that automates your marketing and engages customers and converts sales like pros. So you can start and run automated marketing campaigns just like the pros, and you can master the all-in-one solution experts used to be more protective, and you can engage better with customers, save time and convert more sales, and they are also giving you automatic VIP upgrade with just one click software and sales system included, and you can also fill in a simple form, just click a button and you're in a business. So zero hosting with technical skills or experience, no zero technical skills or zero experience needed. So this works exactly for newbies too. So you'll get all this plus access to their complete system that can be activated and ready to go in seconds. So just click on any of this orange button that will take you to the sales page, which looks like this. So this works in three simple steps. First one is you just need to nothing to install or nothing to download. It's a fully hosted expert automation system which is live and ready to go in three simple steps. So step one, you just need to log in and get your affiliate link. Then approval is guaranteed and you can have your link in seconds. Step two is activate your one click system. Just paste your affiliate link into a simple form and click one button. Okay, step 3 will be that's it. Your system will be live. Your promotional link is activated and ready to share with others. So just click on any of this orange button that will take you to the sales page, which looks like this, and you can purchase the product by clicking on any of this get instant access, then you can purchase the product. All right. So before that, I'm going to tell you what the bonuses I'm going to give you. So bonus one is you're going to get writing web copy that sells. So in this book you're going to discover some key points and methods that will help you on your journey to successful copywriting and save years of learning. So the ability to write successful web copy will help by increasing sales and boosting the popularity of your business. Next bonus 2 will be bookmark for free traffic. So inside this book you're going to discover some how to do internet marketing using social bookmarking for your websites or weblog and social bookmarking sites to try and the top rated social bookmarking websites and using your social bookmarks to the fullest. Then bonus 3 will be manage and sell affiliate programs. Here you will learn how to become a better reseller. Selling affiliate programs can be very lucrative business, just like commission sales or people who are in business for themselves. It takes certain amount of self discipline and determination. So here you will learn half everything about affiliate programs, how to sell and manage your affiliate products. Then bonus 4 will be content marketing boosters. So in content marketing boosters is all about creating high quality. Content marketing is all about creating high quality relevant content that you are processing. So in this you can hijack your campaign up so that you are tapping into all of the most powerful content formats and really drill down into what your niche market really wants from you. Then bonus 5 will be six figure blogging. So you in this thing here will uncover the secrets to the skyrocketing your blogging income even if you're just getting started. So discover the truth about blogging and how you can create highly profitable websites in a matter of minutes and find out the top money making method used by the top bloggers online. So don't forget, just click on any of this orange button that will take you to the sales page. So all of the above bonuses will be instantly available on inside of your account 100% free only if you purchase from my link. So I have given this link, this bonus page link in the description box below. So give it Click on that, then this page opens up, so you can purchase the product by clicking on this any of this orange button. That will take you to the sales page. So they're going to give you the training videos. First of all, they are going to give you training videos. The first one is the over the shoulder training videos. So this high quality expert automation video training is broken into easy to follow over the shoulder segments with actionable step by step information you can use to automate your marketing like pros. So they are going to give you step by step training process. So they are also gonna all the all in one automation solution that allows to form for automate their marketing, engage with customers and convert sales easier than before. Then master an array of automation features and become an expert on using them. So they are also going to give you how to have your email marketing, marketing automation, customer engagement and sales and management tools all together in one place at your fingertips. Here they are also going to give you make it easy to run your marketing by automating the tasks no one has time for. Then keep organized and sell more with email and sales automation that keeps all your customer data on one platform, manages your pipeline and allows follow up the at the perfect moment. So next one is they are going to give you fully hosted one click sales system. So in this they are also have done for you one click sales system that eliminates all of the work and makes easy for you to start promoting this product, high quality product. So there's nothing to download and nothing to install, just enter your affiliate into simple form, click one button and your system is ready to go. So your complete sales system includes they are going to give you pre-selling landing pages, thank you pages embedded with your affiliate link, professional sales page that's ready to take orders, plus a fully automated emailing marketing follow-up series customized with your links and send out to all of your referral automatically. Next one is built-in high quality high profit sales funnel. So this is a built-in high profit sales funnel features exclusive upgrades and add-on models members can choose to enhance their system. So once everything is activated, there is nothing we need to do to have multiple commission from one complete system that pays up to $144 or more for every customer we refer. Plus we can earn monthly recurring income as well. There are many opportunities presented for both the funnel directly and from inside the members area. So next one is they are going to give you ready-made one-click promo tools. To make things easy for you, they are also going to provide you wide variety of ready-made promo tools and marketing materials. You can use it to generate copy, sales and traffics and get clicks to your system. So they have pre-written emails, a copy, social media, banners, graphics and more. So you can instantly insert your link into any of tools in one click, then simply copy and paste your customized tool to use to your promotion. Then the other thing you are going to get is top traffic methods and add-on sources. So they are going to give you a easy to follow guide which relieves their top methods and best advertising sources. So these methods go in hand with their ready-made professional tools and are perfectly suitable for a wide range of advertising budgets. So it's making it easy and affordable to get traffic and affiliate for your system. So next one is they are going to give you, this is the main thing, they are going to give you the exclusive VIP membership pass. So this is the complete system is conveniently laid out and delivered through a professional member area that makes getting started a breeze. Once you can activate your system, get promotion, you get your professional show, watch the training videos and much more, all from one simple easy to navigate interface. Just click on this any of this orange button that will take you to the sales page which looks like this and you can purchase from there. So this prices comes in 4 OTOs with front end price. The front end price is $9.95. So in this expert automation training software and sales system with instant one-click activation. Then OTO 1 will be $27. The downsell price is $17. So you can giveaway module A, that is make your promotion efforts much easier by giving away access to their free video training. Then OTO 2 will be $47. The downsell price is $27. Leads module A, it will comes with instantly convert your system into a one-click leads generate and get paid to build your list. On audio 3 will be $67 and the downsell price is $37. So high ticket model A. So you can make $500 per sale by instantly adding a high ticket income system stream to your system. Then model F auto 4 will be $47. So that will be traffic modeler, and you can automate your system with hands-free traffic and clicks 100% done for you. So overall review of this expert automation is that expert automation helps its members learn how to automate their marketing and streamline their business like pros. So it requires no installation and can be activated easily in just one simple click. So members enter their automated auto-approved affiliate link into a simple form, click one button and their system is live instantly and ready to make sales. So they simply share their special promotional link with others and get paid while the system does all the selling. So there is nothing to download and nothing to install. The entire system is fully hosted and can be activated instantly with no technical skill needed simply by using their easy fill in blank software solution. So just grab the expert automation quickly before the launch period ends. So just click on this any of this orange button that will take you to the sales page which looks like this, and click on that orange button to get the product. So grab all of my bonuses. You'll get these are custom exclusive bonuses made by me, that custom made bonuses especially made from me. So these are the packages you're going to get it from expert automation for VIP members access only. That is one time payment of only $9.95. So these are the things you're going to get from them. So done for you, full hosted solution with one click activation, complete plug and play system that ready to start selling, fully automated sales system customized with your links, built in high profit sales funnel featuring all their exclusive add-ons, ready-made one-click professional tools, pre-written ads and graphics, their top traffic methods and ad sources, high quality over the shoulder video training series included full members access plus instant activation of all of their VIP features and guaranteed automatic approval in their affiliate program. Then no unlimited priority support through their customers help desk. No install, no hosting or no technical skill required. So just grab on this product by clicking on this. So don't forget to purchase from my link. I have given the link in the description box below, so that you grab expert automated automation from my link so that you can grab all of my bonuses. So thank you, see you in the next video.